Welcome back here. The time right now is 6:21. Thanks for joining us. Now, right off of the busy 5 freeway in Solana Beach, there's this hidden gem that you may have never noticed, the San Diego Lagoon. There are young women helping protect this lagoon for all of us to enjoy. In today's Earth 8 report, we're showing you how they're doing that ahead of International Day of Women and Girls in Science, which is next week. When you love being out in nature, it's hard not to want to protect it. That's the reason these young ladies have ventured out into the water, wearing waders and all.
I've never worn waders like these before.
They gently walk into the San Diego Lagoon. Once they're about waist high, they get out their sensors.
We take our handheld device and we put it out on a boat hook and extend it out into the water.
And gather important data at various depths in the water.
This information tells us just the overall health of the lagoon.
They check the oxygen, temperature, and salinity levels.
We'll look at changes over time, and this will indicate whether events are happening.
The lagoon's health in the water is really important for making sure that the plants and animals stay healthy as well, and they're getting all the nutrients they need.
Olivia Boitano and Jordan Legree are water quality monitoring interns with the Nature Collective. They're doing the important work, keeping tabs on a body of water that connects so much.
The lagoon is a natural filter for pollutants, and it will provide clean air and water for all biodiversity and humans to use. And this lagoon also acts as a natural floodplain, so it can help mitigate against high precipitation events and prevent runoff and flooding.
This beautiful watershed providing food for all of these coots, becoming a safe haven for deer. Look at how many of them. It also brings together the salt water from the Pacific Ocean with fresh water, all tucked away under the busy 5 freeway. If you drive by too fast, you'll miss it.
It's so interesting, and I feel like I drove by it a lot growing up and never really took the time to stop by, but yeah, it's a great place to be and so peaceful, and I would highly recommend people stop by.
It's a unique and vast space teeming with variety. It's also a flight line for migratory birds, which makes it a valuable lifeline.
We have a lot of migrating birds right now. As you can see, there's a lot of coots and Canadian geese that are all landing here for the season.
The longer we're out here, the more we can appreciate every hidden creature, tucked away in the plants, but sometimes appearing after moments of stillness. It's these moments that make members of the Nature Collective feel like this is the right path for them. Now, going beyond the water, you'll notice all of these trails. There's about 8 miles of trail connected to the lagoon for you to walk and hike, and keep your eye out for about 1,000 different species here on this nearly 1,000-acre area of protected land. It's a marine protected area too, which means no fishing. It's also home to endangered species, which calls for extra work in preservation, something Brenna O'Brien is proud to help teach and navigate as the operations assistant of the Nature Collective.
To understand things so closely is really special.
She's also a mentor to interns interested in the same fields of environmental science, climate change, and conservation.
I love being able to just talk about something I care so much about with other people who also care about it.
So when things get hectic in your day-to-day life,
it's a really amazing hidden gem here in Solana Beach and Encinitas.
Why not take a moment to come out here?
I think it's a great place to come outdoors and learn about wildlife.
Breathe the fresh air, spot a species or two, and as you do that, take note, there is a team of women scientists and aspiring environmentalists who help make all of this possible.
Impressive, having a big impact too.
It's a beautiful spot. You like Annie's Canyon, right?
Oh, love it right there.
Connects.
I know.
Yeah, so it's pretty
the
incredible.
Views, the beauty, but it takes people like that to make sure it stays that way.
Yeah, make sure it's all good, no changes in their oxygen levels. Learned a lot from these young ladies. You can take a guided tour this Saturday. Also, you can help volunteer with restoration efforts. There's an event next Wednesday. We have all the details posted on our website. Just click on the link to this story at CBS8.com.
Some impressive young women.
Yes, they are. Coming up here, my public transportation.